Want to make cooking easier and more enjoyable? In this video, we'll show you 17 amazing kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. Let's get started. Organize your kitchen with style using the INNERNEED bamboo wooden dish rack. This versatile rack measures 11.8 inches by 4.73 inches by 3.9 inch, making it perfect for compact cabinets or small counter spaces. With 6 slots, this multifunctional rack can hold plates, pot lids, cutting boards, cups, and even books or tablets. Its sturdy bamboo construction ensures durability and stability, while special surface treatment prevents cracking and deformation. Whether you're looking to organize your dishes, dry your cups, or arrange your cookbooks, the INNERNEED bamboo dish rack offers a stylish, eco-friendly solution. This versatile rug combines practicality with vintage-inspired design, perfect for any room in your house. Crafted for easy maintenance, this washable rug withstands daily wear and tear. Simply vacuum, sweep, or wipe clean to keep it looking fresh. The enhanced synthetic fibers resist color fading and offer a plush 0.35-inch thick pile for comfort underfoot. Stay safe with the non-slip backing. Coated with textured TPR, this rug stays firmly in place without the need for an additional rug pad. The digitally printed vintage-inspired design adds a touch of boho chic to your space. Whether in the living room, bedroom, or entryway, this rug beautifully enhances any area. Maximize your kitchen drawer space with the JOSEPH DrawerStore Knife Organizer. This innovative storage solution safely accommodates up to 9 knives in a compact, 2-tier design. The cleverly engineered organizer features a top tier for small knives and a lower tier for larger blades, accommodating knife lengths up to 9 inches. Its space-efficient layout fits neatly into drawers with a minimum height of just 3 inches. Measuring 15.5 by 5.5 by 3 inches, this organizer transforms cluttered drawers into a neatly arranged knife storage system. The non-slip feet ensure stability, keeping your knives securely in place. Organize your kitchen with style using the YICOCHI utensil holder for countertop. This storage solution features a transparent, dust-proof lid that keeps your silverware clean whether stored on the countertop or in a drawer. With 5 generous compartments, this organizer efficiently sorts your place settings, knives, forks, spoons, and other kitchen gadgets. The smart groove design allows for easy access to your utensils. Measuring 11.8 by 12 by 2.7 inches, this compact organizer is perfect for home use and portable enough for picnics, camping, or RV travel. The tight-fitting lid ensures your utensils stay in place during transport. Organize your tea collection in style with the Oceanstar Bamboo Tea Box. Crafted from 100% bamboo, this elegant storage solution features 8 equally divided compartments, perfect for sorting and displaying your favorite tea varieties. The bamboo-framed lid with acrylic glass allows for easy viewing of your collection without opening the box. A magnetic lock ensures your tea bags stay securely in place, while the grooved lip design allows for effortless opening. Measuring 3.8 inches high, 12 inches deep, and 7 inches wide, this versatile box isn't just for tea. Use it to organize crafts, small supplies, or other collections, making it a functional addition to any room. Revolutionize your kitchen organization with the 7-code large dish drying rack. This versatile 2-tier design, complete with a utensil holder and cup rack, offers ample space for all your tableware, from dishes and plates to pots and pans. Experience worry-free drying with the auto-draining drain board. Central drainage holes and a 360-degree rotatable swivel spout ensure water flows directly into the sink, keeping your countertop dry. Constructed from premium carbon steel with a white powder finish, this rack is both rust-proof and sturdy. Its corrosion-resistant properties make it ideal for kitchen use, while the robust build easily supports all your kitchenware. Maximize your counter space with the versatile ZHWS Kitchen Countertop Organizer Corner Shelf. This 3-tier shelf can be configured into either a triangle or rectangle shape, perfect for corners or standalone use on any countertop. Crafted from naturally renewable mozo bamboo, This organizer combines durability with eco-friendliness. The strong stainless steel legs resist rust, while plastic non-slip feet protect your surfaces from scratches. Assembly is a breeze with all accessories provided and detailed instructions included. For visual learners, a helpful video guide is available to ensure quick and easy setup. Elevate your cooking experience with the YIHONG mixing bowl set. This comprehensive 7-piece collection includes bowls ranging from 0.7 to 4.5 quarts, each with its own lid, perfect for all your culinary needs. Versatility is key with these multi-use bowls. Whether you're whipping up a quick salad, mixing batters, or storing leftovers, these bowls are ideal for serving, preparing, and preserving food. Designed with convenience in mind, these bowls nest inside each other for compact storage, saving valuable counter space. When in use, they stack easily, keeping your kitchen organized and your ingredients accessible. Elevate your bathroom and kitchen organization with MODENGKONGJIAN self-draining soap dishes. This set of 3 high-quality, flexible silicone soap holders combines practicality with elegant design. Experience the perfect blend of form and function. The grooved design prevents soap slippage, while the self-draining levels allow water to flow out, keeping your soap dry and extending its lifespan. Versatility is key with these soap dishes. Use them in your shower, bathtub, kitchen, or countertop for soap, sponges, shower gels, or even small items like hair clips and earrings. Revolutionize your kitchen organization with the PRAKI Airtight Food Storage Container Set. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free materials, these lightweight containers are ideal for storing flour, sugar, nuts, coffee, cereal, pet food, and more. Their stackable design maximizes space efficiency in your kitchen or freezer. Experience superior freshness with the 4-sided locking lids and silicone seal, ensuring airtight storage that keeps air and moisture out. Say goodbye to stale cereal and rolled-up bags. Stay organized with the included 20 reusable labels and marker. These thoughtful additions help you avoid confusion during meal prep and baking. Keep your space organized with Kjfeoiye under-sink organizers. These versatile storage solutions maximize space in kitchens, bathrooms, garages, and more. Made of sturdy plastic with reinforced pipes, they're built to support heavy loads while remaining easy to assemble. No tools required. The flexible sliding basket drawers feature handles for easy access in tight spaces. A 2.5-inch edge prevents items from falling out. Measuring 15.6 by 8.6 by 13 inches, each unit includes 8 side hooks and 2 hanging cups for extra storage options. Use these organizers for cleaning supplies, bath items, kitchen bottles, spices, medicines, and more. The bottom area accommodates items up to 11.8 inches tall. Simplify mealtime with the Crock-Pot manual slow cooker. This compact 2-quart round cooker serves 3+ people and features a charming purple polka dot design. It offers high and low cook settings, plus a convenient warm setting to keep your food ready to serve. Enjoy deep, slow-cooked flavors even on your busiest days. The removable stoneware insert doubles as a serving dish, making it easy for family and guests to help themselves. When not in use, its sleek design takes up minimal counter space. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe stoneware insert and glass lid. For hand washing, simply use hot, soapy water after the cooker has cooled. Maximize your kitchen storage with the SZJHXIN Spice Rack. This innovative magnetic shelf offers instant extra space for your seasonings, spice jars, and sauce bottles right on top of your stove. No more worrying about items falling behind the appliance. Installation is a breeze. No drilling or special adhesives required. Simply place the shelf on top of your stove, and you're done. 4 strong magnet strips underneath ensure a secure hold. The rack's length adjusts from 16 to 30 inches, fitting perfectly on various stove sizes. Its detachable design allows for easy cleaning. Just remove the board to wipe or rinse as needed. Revolutionize your kitchen with Gotham steel ceramic cookware. Trusted by over 30 million customers, this newly improved 12-piece set features an ultra non-stick surface reinforced with ceramic, titanium, and diamonds for ultimate durability and food release. The set includes everything you need: an 8.5-inch skillet, 10.5-inch frying pan with lid, 5-quart stock pot with lid, 1.5 and 2.5-quart saucepans with lids, an XL steamer insert, and a bonus shallow square frying pan with lid. Cook healthier meals without oil or butter thanks to the triple-coated nonstick surface. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply place the cookware in the dishwasher. Elevate your drinking experience with ALINK rib drinking glasses. This comprehensive set includes two 11-ounce and two 7-ounce glasses, 4 glass straws, a cup cleaning sponge, and a straw brush. The glasses feature a unique origami-inspired design with a vintage European flair. Their stackable nature makes storage a breeze. Versatile and multi-purpose, they're perfect for water, yogurt, ice cream, cocktails, and more. Ideal for homes, bars, and dessert shops alike. Crafted from high-quality, durable glass, these cups resist cracking and shattering. They're dishwasher safe and easy to clean with the included sponge. Note, not microwave or oven safe. Bring order to your kitchen with SCAVATA stackable refrigerator organizers. These practical storage bins are perfect for organizing your fridge, freezer, or pantry. The innovative stackable design with a lid provides extra storage space on top. Each bin measures 13.7 by 5.9 by 6 inches and can hold up to 10 standard 12-ounce cans. This generous capacity is ideal for storing soda, beer, tea, and various canned goods, keeping your kitchen essentials easily accessible. The transparent design allows you to quickly locate items, while the durable, BPA-free plastic ensures your food stays safe and secure. These shatter-resistant organizers are built to last, providing long-term storage solutions. This dispenser combines an oil sprayer and bottle in one, allowing you to easily switch between spray and pour modes. The upgraded nozzle offers 2 dispensing methods. Press the top button for easy pouring or the handle button for a fine spray. Its sealed, leak-proof design features a front nozzle and rear handle with a perfect sealing cap and silicone gasket. Enjoy mess-free cooking with the anti-drip spout that prevents oil from dripping onto your hands. The transparent 16-ounce glass bottle lets you monitor oil levels at a glance, while the wide mouth makes filling and cleaning a breeze.